General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, knock out the Saturday stuff. Which models hit? Which one missed? I don't think so. Wednesday maybe reversal. New York reversal. St. Louis Tuesday. It's not a classic profile. That was Wednesday. It is not classic either. On OTE. Yeah. Okay, the OTE showed up. What is this? It's not classic. We didn't close. It was kind of an off week. We only got one New York reversal. Yeah. Week reversal profile. And New York reversal day profile. And New York OTE day profile. Discipline, patience, and confidence. It was a good week. Pick shots wisely. Case study log. 1 win, 1 loss. Save. Wednesday was interesting. Friday was interesting. This bound Thursday was like a struggle buy. This trade was Wednesday buy. The hardest trade was Thursday buy. After a large range day, should expect chop. What is this window down here for? Skill sharpening lesson locked. Mm, Determining risk versus market conditions. Being able to walk away even though you know where your move is coming, so you can stick to your routine. Next week, improvement focus. Focus on daily profiles. That's bread and butter. Power of three. Okay. Small range Monday. Was that the Trump drama? Like we created this. It's like relative equal lows. Mm, and boom, order block. Close the gap. We didn't really take any real liquidity, at least from the H1 perspective. But this is OTE. Boom. And final TP here. Or this is 0.68. Let me put that here. Crazy how that played out too. Textbook weekly profile. Let's go here. Move that. Small range Monday here too. We actually got a 3 drives here. Text. 3 drives. Where's this color? 3 drives. Put that here. Order block here. Green box. OTE here. And we didn't get to the 618 here. That's a big difference. So NASDAQ was stronger, probably off of Netflix earnings, which had good earnings. I think they got us as like they're trying to figure out what's going on with Warner Brothers. No, we didn't go high on SPS. The 0 or minus 0.618 is not hitting. Any notes or thoughts for this week? It's just Trump markets. It's really, you can't note that. It's high volatility. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.